Hello everyone, I'm Mike Sandoval with Remax Gold and I'm at 2005 Frensham Drive in Roseville. And behind me is a great home that's aggressively priced to sell today. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. So without further ado, come take a tour with me. This great single-story home, a little under 2,000 square feet, features everything that you would want in a home, and you can add your touches to it. It's close to the Galleria Mall, shopping, a school right around the corner, and a great park. So continue the tour and meet me in the backyard. So did you enjoy the tour? Well, don't forget, this home is aggressively priced, so don't wait and come see this home today. So please reach out to me anytime at 916-798-9417. Mike Sandoval with Remax Gold, and I'll catch you next time.